my name is Mom from Koshish kindergarten and I wake up 7 but then I help my mom to fix my bed. Hello, my name is Sharon and I'm a teacher for Koshish kindergarten. I brush my teeth 2 times every day and every night too. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, my friends. Good morning, Jenna. Hello, my name is Jenna. I am from Koshish kindergarten. I need brown. Do you give me the brown color? Yes. Thank you. You're welcome. Hello, my name is Fēri. I'm a student from Koshish kindergarten. I love my friends and I share with them. Don't forget to use the magic word, please, and thank you. Hello, my name is Liz. I'm a student of Koshish kindergarten. After bathroom and before I eat, I wash my hands with soap and water. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina adhaban nar. Bismillah. Hello, my name is Bilan. I am student from Koshish kindergarten. Before I eat, I say Bismillah. When I eat, I am quiet. When I finish, I say Alhamdulillah. سڵاو، من ناو ئاریاسە لە باخچەی منداڵانی کۆشش دەخوێنم. لەوانەی کوردی فێری پیتە کوردیەکان دەبم. ساڵ بەرەودەم، بەهار، هەمین، پاییز، زستە. یەکەم وەرز بەهارە، گوڵی جوانی لێدیارە. دووەم وەرز هەمینە، گەرماکەی زۆر بەتیرینە. سێم وەرز پاییزە، دەڵان ڕێزان بەڕێزە. چوارم وەرز زستانە، وەی لەوتۆ و بارانە. Hello, my name is Dia. I'm a student from Koshish kindergarten. I'll wait until my friends have finished playing. Hello, my name is Gala. I'm from Koshish kindergarten. I like to share with my friends. Hello, I'm Liz. I'm from Koshish kindergarten. I don't want to make my friends hard, and I play slow. Goodbye, everybody. Hello, my name is Shan, and I'm a student from Koshish kindergarten. When I go home, I pack my stuff and I say goodbye to all of my friends. Goodbye, Miss.